Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the glider in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. First, find a high spot, like a cliff or a tower, to get a good start. Then, simply jump off and press the jump button a second time to unfurl your trusty glider. Once airborne, use the left control stick to steer Link in any direction you wish. Remember, gliding uses up your stamina, so keep a close eye on that green wheel to avoid an unexpected fall. To cover greater distances, try diving downwards to build speed, then gently pulling up to convert that momentum into horizontal travel. Look out for environmental updrafts, such as those created by fires or geysers. Flying into them will lift you higher and replenish your stamina. Before embarking on a long journey, consider consuming stamina-boosting meals or equipping armor pieces that enhance your stamina to maximize your time. To truly enhance your driving, delve into the advanced settings. Adjust the steering sensitivity and nonlinearity to match your preferred feel, allowing for more precise truck handling. Setting dead zones for your axes is also important. This prevents any slight, unintended movements from registering. For an even deeper simulation, consider mapping your gear shifts to joystick buttons, giving you full control over your truck's transmission. These adjustments make a significant difference. The glider truly shines when combined with Link's other abilities, like Recall or Ultra Hand, allowing for incredibly creative traversal. Keep an eye out for Zonai devices, as some can generate powerful updrafts, giving you a significant boost. I recommend practicing with shorter glides to really get a feel for the controls and stamina management. Always have a clear destination in mind, ensuring you have enough stamina to reach your intended landing spot safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.